Want to know how to use Mailchimp's retargeting ads to bring back those potential customers who didn't complete their purchase or sign up? Stick around, because we'll break it down step by step in this video, showing you how to set up and optimize retargeting ads in Mailchimp to boost your sales and engagement. And I'll share how you can access this software for free with exclusive bonuses, so make sure you stay until the end. First thing, Mailchimp's retargeting ads are perfect for re-engaging people who've interacted with your brand, but for some reason, didn't take that final step. Maybe they added items to the cart and didn't check out or visited your site, but didn't sign up. Retargeting ads let you display ads directly to these people as they browse the web or social media, keeping your brand top of mind. Next thing, setting up retargeting ads in Mailchimp is easier than you think. First, you need to make sure you've integrated your Mailchimp account with Google and Facebook. These integrations are key because Mailchimp will run ads on both platforms. Once integrated, you can use the ads section in Mailchimp to start the campaign process. The third thing, you'll need to create a custom audience. This is where Mailchimp shines. By selecting the retargeting option, you can choose to target people who have visited specific pages on your site, opened an email, or even clicked on a link you sent. The power is in the precision. You're reaching people who are already familiar with your brand, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Moving on, once you've created your custom audience, it's time to design your ads. You don't need to be a designer to make these work. Mailchimp provides simple drag and drop tools for creating attractive ads. You can use pre-built templates or upload your own images. Just make sure your ad is clear, has a call to action, and looks visually appealing across all devices. Now, the fifth thing to keep in mind is the budget. Retargeting ads can be very cost-effective because you're only paying to reach people who've already shown interest. You can set daily or lifetime budgets, and Mailchimp will optimize your ad spend for the best return. You don't need a huge budget to make an impact, and you'll likely see a higher ROI compared to other forms of advertising. The sixth thing is to track and optimize. Once your campaign is live, you'll want to keep an eye on the analytics. Mailchimp's reporting tools will show you how your ads are performing, from the number of impressions to the click-through rates. Based on this data, you can tweak your ads, refine your audience, and adjust your budget for even better results. Before I wrap up, remember that using Mailchimp's retargeting ads can significantly increase your chances of converting potential customers who have already interacted with your brand. And here's the kicker. I've got an exclusive extended free trial for Mailchimp. Just check the first link below to get started with zero commitment and access some amazing bonuses. To sum it up, retargeting ads in Mailchimp are a game changer. They let you focus on people who've already shown interest, making it easier to bring them back and close the deal. Make sure to grab that free trial today and start re-engaging your audience to maximize your business potential. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.